How He Do It here with another tip. So I'm tearing apart a Honda lawnmower and cleaning the carburetor. I was following videos on YouTube, and a lot of the videos block a very key point, and that is the emulsion tube, which goes in the center of the carburetor. If you look at it, there's a side that has a hole and then the other side doesn't. So it's slightly different. I'll put it down here for contrast. You can see basically there's the side with the hole and then the shaft and knot. It's essential that it goes back in the carburetor the correct way. The key is you want the side with the hole to be on the top, and all the videos that we were watching block that. So you drop it in that way and then you put your screw back in. That's all there is to it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.